have you ever put on a net wrong? And have you ever put on your underwear wrong? It's the same theory, really.
It's upside down.
Have you ever tried placing a net on a hoop? Have you ever wondered why it doesn't fit quite right? Hoop measurement, 18" in diameter. This is a one-size-fits-all scenario. Have you ever started placing a net on and struggling with the fit? Why is it stretching so far? Why is it so hard to put on? Why on earth doesn't it fit? Unlike humans, hoops don't gain weight.
It's a terrible net. Some kids tried. It's the wrong way around. If you put a net up the wrong way around, you can tell. It's like wearing a pair of underwear that's one size too small.
It's upside down.
Oh
The red bit, see how it's longer?
Good on you for trying. There's no harm in trying. You know, you know, because it's too restrictive, right? It's too tight. There's a stretch. You're like, oh, what's happened? But really, it's not you. It's not even the underwear. It's just like it's just like put on wrong. Have you ever put?
So you're saying that this rim has got on the wrong underwear?
It hasn't got on the wrong underwear. I said that wrong, actually. You know what? What's happened is, you know when you get your underwear and there's 2 foot holes, right? You've instead of the waistband going up, you've got the bit that goes for your leg, and you've tried to get in there, right? And you're like, oh, like what's happened? It doesn't seem to fit.
So this is 2 legs in 1 leg hole.
It's you think one of the leg holes is the waist, and something's not quite right, and you don't know what it is, but you just wear it anyway. Do you want to fix it for it?
I thought this room was going to be boring.
Putting a net on a basketball court yourself, and you probably need a ladder, and you need a net, and you need a rim that has what we like to call in the biz hoop loops. So the rim needs to have loops so that you could loop the net onto the loops attached to the rim, and that is how you put a net on the rim. All rims are a standard size, so all nets match that standard size because it would make sense. The person that put this up did not buy the wrong net. They put the net on upside down. If you've become a victim of putting the net upside down and having it look like this and wondering what's wrong, you've probably put it on upside down. And there's 2 ways to tell if you've put a net on upside down. 1, it doesn't fit. And 2, the blue always goes at the bottom and the red always goes at the top. So if you buy a 3-tone color net, you can remember red is at the head and blue is near you. If you get a net that's only 1 color, you're like, well, how am I going to figure this out? You'll know when you try to put it on and you can't. Now, it's the same theory as putting on underwear. If you bought the right size and it still doesn't fit and you haven't put on weight, then it's probably the way you put it on. You've probably put your feet through one of the leg holes rather than the waist hole. So rather than just putting it up here and thinking, oh no, this net didn't work, and complain and write a letter to Kmart, just think, where have I gone wrong here? So whoever put this net up, don't feel bad. We've all put our underwear on wrong from time to time.
It's upside down.